Dear friends, we have come to Promotesh Borua Mohabidyalaya, Gauripur, for some official work. Promotesh Borua College. It was established in 1964. Great, in 1964 established, and we are going to this college for some official work. I'll be showing you some other things about this college after some time. Thank you. Promotesh Borua College was established in 1964. I'll be showing many more things about this college after some time. Please watch it and keep tuned. Thank you. So this is the inside of the college. It's a beautiful college established in 1964. And you see, it's beautiful in the midst of nature, full of greeneries. Professor Digonto Bishwas, how many departments are there?
13 departments.
13 departments. What are the departments? Just tell me.
English, economics, political science, philosophy, Bengali,
Okay.
Assamese.
How many students are there altogether?
Huh?
Altogether students?
Students
In all-
near about 1500, including
1500
1500 or something,
High
sometime
secondary
1800.
and graduate.
Sometime 1800, it may sometimes differ.
Okay. So this is Professor Digonto Bishwas, a professor of accountancy. I talked to him. I'll be showing you many more things after some time. So see the beautiful college. This is an economic club. They are having a economic club, PV College, Eco Club, and flowers all decorated. So please share your views about some bite about this college.
Promotesh Borua College. Promotesh Borua
Your
College.
name what? Bhuya?
Orindam Bhuya.
Orindam Bhuya. Okay.
প্ৰখ্যাত শিল্পী প্ৰমথেশ বৰুৱাৰ নামতে কলেজখন
Okay.
আৰু কলেজখনৰ 1964 চনৰ পৰাই স্থাপিত কলেজখন
64.
1964
Mm-hmm.
কলেজখনৰ গৰিমা বহুত বেছি শৈক্ষিক ফালৰ পৰা ধুবুৰী ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টত ক'ব গ'লে দ্বিতীয়খন কলেজ এখন
দ্বিতীয় ওকে প্ৰথম কোনটো
বিএন কলেজ
বিএন কলেজ ভোলানাথ বৰুৱা
ভোলানাথ কলেজ
ভোলানাথ
কলেজ হয়
ওকে এটা আৰ্টছ সায়েন্স কমাৰ্চ গোটেইখিনি আছে
ইয়াতে আৰ্টছ আৰু কমাৰ্চ আছে সায়েন্স নাই
সায়েন্স নাই আৰ্টছ আৰু কমাৰ্চ সায়েন্স খোলা কিবা প্লেন আছে নেকি
সেইখিনি অথৰিটিয়ে ক'ব পাৰিব আৰু
ঠিক আছে থ্যাংক ইউ ডিয়াৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ দিস ইজ দ্য ষ্টেচু অফ Promotesh Borua. Promotesh Borua, the founder of this college. Promotesh Borua College, Gauripur, Dhubri, was established in 1964. Friends, this is Tilak Sharma, librarian of Promotesh Borua College. Sir, please say something about this college and your experience of working here. আপনি অসমীয়া ক'ব পাৰে ইংলিছো ক'ব পাৰে
এইখন 1964 চনত স্থাপিত হৈছিলে আৰু ইয়াত মই 2002 চনৰ ডিচেম্বৰৰ 4 তাৰিখে জইন কৰিছোঁ
আচ্ছা
আৰু তেতিয়াৰ পৰাই মই ইয়াতে কাম কৰি আছোঁ 22 ইয়াৰ্ছ মই এতিয়া ইয়াত কাম কৰি আছোঁ খুব ভাল জাগা আৰু এইখন সাংস্কৃতিকভাৱে খুব মানে আৰু ভাল আৰু চাৰিওফালৰ পৰা ভাল সাংস্কৃতিক আছে
কেন্দ্ৰ এটা
পদ্মশ্ৰী প্ৰতিমা বৰুৱা পাণ্ডেৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি বহুত ইয়াতে হেৰি হৈছে গতিকে ভালে লাগিছে ভাল পৰিৱেশ ভাল কাম কৰি ভাল লাগে তেনেকুৱা আৰু আপোনালোক লগ পাই আজি আৰু বেছি ভাল লাগিল
মই আগত দুবাৰ আহিছোঁ ইয়াতে এবাৰ জিএছটিৰ ওপৰত লেকচাৰ দিব আহিছিলোঁ 2018 মানত তাৰপিছত আহিছিলোঁ ইণ্টাৰভিউ ল'ব 2 বছৰমান হ'ল নেকি তেনেকুৱা মানে
গতিকে ভাল লাগিল আপোনালোকক লগ পাই এনেকৈ ইণ্টাৰভিউবিলাকত বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ বাহিৰৰ আমাৰ ছিনিয়ৰ অধ্যাপকসকল আহি থাকে লগ পাওঁ মত বিনিময় হয় ভাল লাগে
Thank you. মই আপোনাক পঠিয়াম এইটো Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Principal chamber, I am entering the principal chamber. I will be talking to principal for some time and even the president of governing body. So this is the chamber of principal. Let's see what is given here. Bishesh, Abhinandan, Akum, Satra Bhanska, This is the certificate received by the college. Integrity Place is written here. Integrity Place. Let's be read on. We shall continuously strive to bring about integrity and transparency in all spheres of our activities. And this is the picture of. So this is the strategy. The master plan of Promotesh Borua College 2015. See the master plan. It's beautiful handicrafts. Yes. This is the list, information list of principals of Promotesh Bora College. The first principal was Dr. Birendranath Dotto, from 1964 to 1966. And this is the list, and the current principal is Dr. Kalyan Dash. He joined on 16th of May 2025. Okay, these pictures. Beautiful. Subhash Chandra is also there. Dear friends, today I am having Professor Hasib Muhammad Iqbal. With me, he is a professor of economics in Promotesh Bora College. Please tell something about your experience in this college, about culture, and many things I'll be talking to you. You can use English or Assamese, any language. Please, Professor
Namaskar.
Iqbal.
Good afternoon to all of you. Actually, I'm an assistant professor of Promotesh Bora College, and I have an experience of 22 years of experience in the Department of Economics. I am holding the post of convener of cultural sale from last 15 to 16 years.
Cultural sale.
Cultural
Good.
sale, 15 to 16 years. And we usually organize different cultural programs, cultural activity during the time of winter basically. Actually,
Okay, Professor Iqbal, please carry on. I'll be talking very least or scanty about economics, but I'll not talk about anything about economics with you. I'll be talking mostly about culture, cultural music, etc. Please continue.
actually we are organizing so many cultural activities, so many cultural programs and competitions among the students, and basically we are sometimes we are invited few students from our neighboring colleges. They also participated in our cultural program or competitions, which are usually, that is a usual practice we have hold in our college. Basically we are holding the date anniversary and birth anniversary of Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. In that day we are felicitate him. We are giving the floral tribute to the legends on the date anniversary of Dr. Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. And we are specially organizes a program for the local legends, the Padma Shri Pratima Pandey Borua. On her date anniversary we are organizing on 27th of December each and every year.
27 December.
27th of
This
December.
is her death anniversary.
Date anniversary of Pratima Pandey Borua. And the faculty members and the students, almost all, they are participated in the program. We are giving floral tribute. We are organizing cultural program, folk song competitions, folk dance competitions in memory of our madam, our legends. Over and above, we are giving the floral tribute on the date anniversary of Promotesh Chandra Borua. That is on 29th of November.
The college is after him.
Our college's name, on the honor of his name. And
This is Promotesh Borua.
yes, this is Promotesh Borua.
Okay.
Our pictures. And we are also giving the life-size statues. I think you have seen.
I've taken.
You have seen.
I've recorded that.
You have seen
Outside.
nearby the in front of our college the life-size statue. We have posted. We have built this statue just 10 to 15 years ago. On that day, we are giving the floral tribute. Over and above this date anniversary of these legends, we are organizing Rabindra Sangeet competitions on the day of Rabindra Jayanti. On the annual college week day, the cultural program, right from Borgit, Assamese modern songs, Bengali modern songs, Hindi songs,
Okay,
Bihu
Professor
Geet competitions.
Iqbal,
Yeah.
I have heard that you are a singer also. Just one or two lines from Pratima Pandey, madam. One or two lines from any of his song. One or two lines.
তোমরা গেলে কে আসিবে মোর মাহুত বন্ধুরে হস্তির নরং হস্তির চরং ঠাকুয়া বাড়ির যে আয় রে হত্য করিয়া মাহুত বন্ধুরে ও মোর হায় হস্তির কন্যা রে তিনবার মাই গাড়িয়া যায় মাহুত মোর জ্বালিয়া যায় রে
Excellent, Professor Iqbal, excellent. Iqbal, it's really excellent that you song about Hostir Konna, the daughter of elephant, correct?
Yeah.
Hostir Konna. So, before I ask something about Pratima Panditji, I'll ask you to sing one or two lines from Rabindranath. Any song.
বড় আশা করে এসেছি গো কাছে ডেকে নো ফিরায় না জননী বড় আশা করে এসেছি গো কাছে ডেকে নো দিনহীনে কেহ চাহিয়ার তুমি তাদের রাখিবে জানি গো দিনহীনে কেহ চাহিয়ার আমি তাদের রাখিবে জানি গো নরজনী বড় আশা করে এসেছি গো খুব সুন্দর গান গান
Professor Iqbal, it's really, I found your voice is so melodious and so bold, and you've presented the Rabindra Sangeet so nicely. Can you share any other song of Padma Shri Pratima Panditji? Any other which touches you most? One or two line. Any other song? Dear viewers, now we shall sing together one particular ghazal, and this was in 1958 film Kagaz Ka Phool, and originally written, sung by Geeta Dutt. So, Iqbal, please, you start.
Sir, please start yourself.
भक्त ने किया
क्या हसी सितम तुम रहे न तुम हम रहे न हम भक्त ने किया क्या हसी सितम तुम रहे न हम रहे न तुम वक्त ने किया बेकरार दिल इस तरह मिले जिस तरह कभी हम जुदा न थे बेकरार दिल इस तरह मिले जिस तरह कभी हम जुदा न थे तुम भी खो गए हम भी खो गए एक राह पर चल के दो कदम वक्त ने किया क्या हसी सितम तुम रहे न तुम हम रहे न हम वक्त ने किया
जाएंगे.